1,000 subscribers on YouTube can feel like a huge milestone, right? It's like this golden number that everyone talks about, and you think, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I've made it. But here's the thing, hitting 1,000 subscribers isn't as easy as it sounds, but at the same time, it's totally normal. So if you're feeling frustrated or stuck at 50 or 100 subscribers, you're in good company. Let's get real for a second. Growing a YouTube channel is tough, seriously tough. Reaching 1,000 subscribers feels like this distant dream at times. But here's the kicker. Every single successful creator on YouTube has been through the grind you're facing. They all started at zero just like you. Take Mr. Beast, for example. You know him as the guy who spends millions of dollars on insane challenges and gives away crazy amounts of money. But guess what? Mr. Beast didn't just wake up one day with millions of subscribers and massive views. No, he spent years making videos and uploading over 100 videos before even reaching his first 1,000 subscribers. That's right, 100 videos. Can you imagine? 100 videos with little to no views, yet he didn't give up. Why? Because consistency is key, and he kept learning and improving. And then there's PewDiePie, the king of YouTube. If you think he just got lucky and hit it big overnight, think again. PewDiePie didn't wake up with 100 million subscribers. He uploaded video after video, experimenting with content and improving over time. Even after hitting big, his early days were filled with struggles. He worked his butt off for years before his channel started to gain serious momentum. It's not just the mega stars, though. Even the YouTube gurus you see today had to put in their time. Take Graham Stephan, for example, who's now known for his finance content. Do you think he just uploaded a couple of videos and bam, 1,000 subscribers? Nope. He made tons of content, refined his style, and stayed consistent, learning what worked and what didn't along the way. Here's the thing, hitting 1,000 subscribers may seem like a huge, impossible mountain to climb, but trust me, it's just part of the process. It's the normal starting point for every creator. And guess what? If you keep grinding, keep creating, and keep improving, you'll get there too. It's not about luck, it's about showing up, learning from your mistakes, and making better content each time. So if you're stuck and feeling like your channel is growing at a snail's pace, don't sweat it. Every creator, big or small, has had those moments. The key is persistence. Even when it feels like no one is watching or you're stuck at 50 or 100 subscribers, remember that the creators you admire all went through the same thing. And here's the fun part. Once you get past that first 1,000, everything changes. You learn the ropes, you figure out what your audience loves, you become more confident in your content, but it doesn't happen overnight, and it definitely doesn't happen by giving up. Every bump on the road is a lesson that gets you closer to success. So if you're frustrated or feeling discouraged, just know that you're not alone. Keep pushing, keep improving, and trust me, your first 1,000 subscribers will come. And once you hit that, get ready, because the next milestone will be right around the corner. Remember, it's not about how fast you get there, it's about staying in the game long enough to see the results. So keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. Your journey is just beginning, and soon enough, you'll look back and laugh at how tough that 1,000 subscriber mark felt. Keep going, you've got this.